unfortunately cut into this way. No stopping is given here. We cannot stop here and park and take a pic. So this is how the view is, my friends. You can see it. Hello, welcome back to another vlog of Roshan. As it was raining, I thought of coming outside. So you might see there is a rain. The road is wet. Actually, we are going for stickering the bike. So hope that will work out. I don't know. I think the voice is clear. You can see there is a lot of sunlight which is reflecting down. Oh my goodness, see the sunlight directly falling to the eyes. So I can check it out. So I just came out towards Balanagar. So we'll try to just check it out, the new flyover, and then we'll work out on the things. So that's how we are trying to explore. I don't know the visibility part, but it seems like to be okay. So here we go with the new Balnagar flyover. This is the first time we are trying this. This is the Balnagar flyover we are just trying, and we are just getting the feel, yaar. So cool, so wide. Almost it will be a traffic from this point to the signal point. It's a nice feeling. Anyways, we are just getting the hang of it. Yaar, super. This flyover is authenticated, properly authenticated, yaar. See the lights. This is the first time I'm riding on this flyover. Wow, so good, right? Almost covering like 50% of the traffic, probably 75. So we have a Domina behind us. So hi bro. Hazard lights, superb. That's the biker spirit. Probably we have to try a lot of things. So actually we are taking a U-turn back to the Balnagar and then getting our stickers done on the bike. So we'll try to reveal it, what kind of stickering we are trying to put. But for now, we are just coming to the end of the Balnagar flyover. Sometimes like we vlog in different languages, right? And that's how we want each and every one. So sometimes it may be in English, तेलुगु लो कोनी साल उंडोचु, थोड़ी बार हिंदी में भी होगा. तमिल और मलयालम मुझे नहीं आता, मगर थोड़ा बहुत मैनेज कर ले. मुझे समझ में आता. मलयालम ज़ीरो, अंडरस्टैंडिंग ज़ीरो. तमिल थोड़ा बहुत, कन्नड़ अगेन ज़ीरो. Oh, there is a long time, like we have to travel a good number, like 1 kilometer, proper 1 kilometer to take a U-turn, I guess. We do not have any U-turn to the nearby spot, but see, there is a traffic jam there. So we need to wait for the traffic to get cleared, and then we take a U-turn and take the same flyover back and then we'll go home. So I'm on the indicator, so let us wait. So if you have traveled by via what you call as Balnagar flyover, you just give a review, like how do you feel the same flyover, like if you like it or if you do not like it. There are like n number of possibilities, right? So I hope like you just comment so that people will understand that whether you liked it or not via my vlogs. Probably there is another person who is peeping or staring at the helmet, I guess. People have to wear helmet, yaar. Even for a short distance, definitely I recommend to people to wear helmet. It is very important. Helmet is a must. So I request each and every person to wear helmet whenever necessary, wherever necessary. So I cannot cross here and there. Oh my goodness. Now I am feeling the heat of the traffic of Balnagar. Finally we have a U-turn. Finally after 15 minutes of drive I got this U-turn. Anna, this is a proper indicator, but still there was a straight bike, so which cannot be passed. Thank God I have come. Finally God, hell of traffic. They have compensated the straight way, but they have compromised the other part. If there was a U-turn, at least for some people who have come to this part, if they accidentally get into this what do you call as flyover, Balnagar flyover, they have to take a U-turn, possibly nearby a kilometer or so. But unfortunately they haven't kept, so that's the minus part. Second to it, previously there was a U-turn near the Naipur. So this is a Naipur, you can see this. So where is Naipur? The other part, this is IDPL. So we used to have, see, yeah, I guess here it is. Yeah, you can see Naipur here, IDPL, then followed by Naipur, National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. It's our field only. Hyderabad, Naipur, you can see on my left, but we have to take the flyover which is on top. So this is how you can see the widened roads, super bright. I don't know which way the auto is going, but we'll unfortunately cut into this way. No stopping is given here. We cannot stop here and park and take a pic. So this is how the view is, my friends. You can see it. Thank God, yeah. I finally came out of the traffic, which I was desperate. You can see how beautiful the scenery is. As tomorrow is the Independence Day, they should have kept some flag colors, I guess. Might be. So to all our viewers, happy Independence Day for tomorrow. That is August 15th. It is our Independence Day. So I wish 75th Independence Day wishes to each and every subscriber and each and every guy who is just following my vlogs, and also who are seeing and giving a like button. So that's how we are celebrating. Actually, the agenda for today is like going and getting the stickering part, so which we'll try to get it. So we are actually getting the stickering part in the nearby shop. So this is the first time I'm visiting his store. I don't know how great he is, but I have seen quite a few number of times. So I am getting the stickering from this particular biker location. So you can see a number plate kind of thing. So probably is it a closing a time? No. So this is the stop I wanted to. చలో మనమైతే వినోద్ దగ్గర చేపించినాం. ఇక్కడ మనకైతే లైట్ కావాలా. చలో రైట్ వినోద్. సో మనోడు మస్తు పేషెన్స్తో చేసిండు. మనకు కావాల్సిన డిజైన్, మనకు కావాల్సిన వ్లాగ్, కావాల్సిన టైం తీసుకొని మంచి స్పేర్ చేసుకొని మనోడైతే పెట్టిండు. ఐఎమ్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్. ఓకే, మొత్తం కాస్టింగ్ వచ్చేసి 200 అట్లా తీసుకున్నాడు. వెరీ రీజనబుల్ అనుకుంటున్నా. మనకు టైం స్పెండ్ చేసినందుకు. దో తక్కువనే ఉండొచ్చు, కానీ బట్ స్టిల్ మ్యాన్ పవర్, ఎఫర్ట్, థింకింగ్ ప్రాసెస్, టైం తీసుకొని చేసినందుకు వర్త్ 200 అని అనుకుంటున్నా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఐ థింక్ లైక్ what all the things he has kept. I'll definitely show in the next part, like with the stickering part. It is just to show or like showcase, like showcase or like showcase, whatever, to show that this bike belongs to this particular vlog. GoPro recording at night is very poor, so we'll end this vlog at this particular part of time. We'll end this vlog at this particular part. So I wish you once again a happy Independence Day, and stay safe and be safe. We are not going to stop.